Hello guys. So if you're looking to remove ads or block ads from your Instagram, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open your Instagram, then click on your profile at the bottom right corner, then click on three lines at the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, now go to account center. Now in account center, scroll down and click on ad preference, click on it. Now in ad preference, click on ad settings, which is the last option over here. Now again click on the first option, which is activity information from ad partners, click on it, click on review settings, and over here in this setting make sure to click on no, don't make my ads more relevant by using this information. So choose this particular option, it will be default by this, so choose this one and click on confirm, and after that you will not be shown any type of ad which is relevant to you. Or if you want to block more ads, you can go inside these settings and add settings from your Facebook directly. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.